Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Now there's a little cover right here. Just take a small screwdriver, get underneath there, pop that cover off. There's going to be a T20 screw in there, so we'll use a T20 Torx bit, an extension, and a ratchet. Take this screw out. Pull that screw out. All right, so we're going to pull this trim piece off. Just use a trim tool. Slide in underneath here, pop this off, pop this side off. Let's pull it out. We're going to disconnect these electrical connectors. Looks like this one's messed up a little bit, so we'll just use a little pick. Push down, pull that connector off, and then over here, the connector right here, push that one down. Pull that connector off. All right, to remove the lock, we're going to take a flat blade screwdriver, come on the back side, putting a little bit of pressure on it. We're going to push this tab in like that, and we'll flip it around. A little more pressure and push that in, and then it'll push through, just like that. With the trim piece up like this, there's two little tabs on the switch. You can see there's two little slots in there for that. So just slide the switch in and lock it in. All right, so this wiring harness comes up like this. And, connect that to the lock. It's supposed to slide in over here like this. And then we're going to connect the window switch back here. Just like that. Snap that in place. And over here, get this lined up. Oops. Clip that in. And we'll take our Torx screw and get that started. And then we'll snug it up. Take this little cap and push it on. Snap it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.